Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use virtual camera on Discord. Here are some steps to use virtual camera on Discord using OBS Studio. Download and install OBS Studio. Go to obsproject.com and download the Windows version. Install it on your PC. Launch OBS Studio. Open OBS Studio from your desktop or Start menu. Add your video source. In the Sources section, click the plus icon or right-click, then hover to add. Choose Video Capture Device to add your webcam, or choose Display Capture or Media Source or any video content you want to stream. So I choose Display Capture. Click OK, then choose your monitor and the display dropdown, and then click OK to save. Set up your scene. Arrange your video elements, for example, webcam, overlays, etc. in the preview window. Resize and position as needed. Start the virtual camera. Click the Start Virtual Camera button on the right side of the OBS under the Controls panel. Open Discord. Launch Discord and join a voice or video channel or start a call. Go to Discord's video settings. Click the gear icon, the user settings, then go to Voice and Video. Scroll to Video Settings and set Camera to OBS Virtual Camera. Then hit Escape. Start your video. Click Turn on Camera and the call or server, and OBS output will now appear in Discord as your camera. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.